Right, so this version is now live on Steam, which brings the Level Editor beta update, where you can build your own custom maps, even build custom time trials if you want. You can host them just like any other maps, playtest them with friends, host them with friends, and I'll give you a little brief overview. So this is just a Steam beta update for now. It's just the beta version of it, with the console and PC full versions coming out later. I'm aiming for the end of the year, but it's not confirmed yet. I will keep you all posted. Obviously, I don't want to create too much distance between this and the final update, so bear with me. I will keep you posted on that. But for now, it's only out on Steam. But if you're a console player, feel free. You're welcome here. You'll get a full preview right now of what you can expect soon on console as well. So yeah, let's jump right into it. So the first biggest thing that you'll see is when you are going to play, you'll see that the map screen has been massively updated because there's 3 brand new maps with this update, which are all actually built with the level editor. So to get you inspired and, you know, show you what's possible. All of these maps, the arena, the airship, the desert, they all have a couple of time trials each. They're quite big maps as well. You can host them as all other normal maps, and you can even save a copy of these maps and edit them yourself if you want. So you can change whatever you want, add new trials if you want, really anything you want to do. So let's check out the first map. But yeah, so this is the first map, the arena, all built with the level editor, which I can quickly show in a second. I've made some nice time trials and some mean ones for those who really want to challenge. I can show you the mean one quickly. But yeah, this is the arena. Let's check out the other map. We have the desert as well. Right, so we got the desert here, another new map that you can also save, play, host, or edit, add new time trials, make it bigger, make it smaller, whatever you want. I'll give you a quick overview as well shortly on what you have as building objects, because there's quite a lot to choose from. As you can see, this map is the new environment with new materials that the game hasn't seen before, so there's some unique assets to this map that were created. And yeah, it's super fun. So let's see if I can manage to do this time trial. Let's go. Oh, I get a silver. But yeah, let's check out the third map of the update. And right, so this is the airship, which this is a mean one, I'm telling you. The airship trial 1, 44 seconds. All right, let's see if I can.
I want to see this done on the first try.
Oh my god. I think I already messed it up. Oh my god. This is the biggest wall run in the entire game, for anyone wondering. And I absolutely hate it. Oh god.
You
oh no! No! Let's go! No! I am defeated. Alright, let's give this another go. Oh my god. Will I do it? Will I do it? Oh my god.
Hey. Oh yeah, Seth made a good point there in the chat. He's saying that yes, the base maps have their own names for trials, so they will work as a regular trial system.
Let's go. You have seen all the 3 maps now, so let's say I want to host one of the official maps here. So let's say I want to host the to open the arena, but I don't want to open it in the arena. I want to open it on the airship. So you can do that with the level editor as well, and you can build your custom maps, and you can always overwrite the environment, basically putting it in a fresh light, so you can see what the arena now looks like on a completely different environment. You can change this every time you host it, you can change it every time you play it, you edit it, so this is always an option. And now you got the arena just on the airship, which is pretty damn cool. But yeah, we are in the editor mode, so you got an official map here that you can edit, so you can simply press special left and then you are in editing mode, and that simply just allows you to move anything where you want it to be. You can rotate, you can scale, anything you would want to do, you can move the zip line from here to there. But most importantly, you have a toolbox with primitive shapes with prefabricated objects. Primitive shapes are just what you'd think they are. They're just the most basic shapes where you have a lot of material options for them. And the prefabs are more straightforward. Those are the ones, the elements you know from the game, plus a few unique new ones. This list will be ever growing. So you'll have a lot of options to place whatever you want, really. Let's say I want to add a container from here to there, and I say, all right, but I want it to be an open one. You can do that. You can say I want a yellow one instead. So you can do really anything. And you have graffitis as well, which that is simply just planting a graffiti right where you want it to be. Then you can change the design of it. Let's say, let's go use the Explorer. You can scale it up, do anything you want. And simply, once you're done, you can always press save, where you can save your map. You're not able to overwrite the default maps, of course, but you could say, this is Michael's arena. And then you can simply just press save, and then that map is saved. And at this point as well, I could just say multiplayer. I've already saved it, and I can just simply host it right here, Michel's arena, and I can play, again, a different environment. I can play whatever game mode I want, and just what you're used to, pretty much. One thing you can also do, which is important if you want to play Capture the Flag, is you can, or well, have to, place the flag spawns, which I have already done. But this is basically telling the game you can spawn a flag here or up there, so you give the game a few different options. Because every time, of course, when you play Capture the Flag, sometimes it spawns there, sometimes it spawns there, and you can control that in the level editor as well. One of the coolest things, though, is the fact that you can create time trials. So you can just say, okay, start a trial there. Then you can see on the right, there's an add trial rings prompt. All of this works on keyboard and mouse and on controller, by the way. So if I tap on my controller D-pad right, you can see I can set the time for it. I can say, all right, let's make this 40 seconds. I press add checkpoints, and from here on out, you can see how quick this is.
One thing that we can show is, Michael, if you hit pause real quick, not because you're tagged and I'm just using it as a chance, but you can hit save map.
Yeah,
and
so
you
I
can save that map locally.
Yeah, Hellzoids, cool map, and I can save it, and I can then play it offline as well myself if I want to. Once Hellzoids.
You named that a lot nicer than you did last time.
Yes. Oh yes.
But now you could go into your host online maps. What do you call that? The host menu. You can hit host, and you can select my map from your list that you just saved, and then invite me back to it, and I'll be able to see all the time trials that I've done. And if you do it on free play, we'll actually see those time trials.
Yes, and we can also, like I said, I can now choose that I want to play Hellzoids map on the arena, so it gets a fresh look again. So yeah, I've just hosted the map that you've seen from Hellzoid. We're in the arena now, so that's a cool look as well.
Do a kickflip.
Yeah. Wait, I'll do a kickflip. There you go. I'll do 360 flip. Let's go! Oh god.
Ooh. He's almost got it. He's almost got it.
No, I lost my boost!
He's still got time. Nah, he ain't getting gold.
Yeah, well, you can see, like, you can. That's a really nice way to play new challenges, play new maps. This will be PC only because, like, you cannot access save files on a console. But for PC, you'll have a channel in the Discord where you can browse maps, and you can simply add that save file from that map that your friend shares or community member shares, and you can drag it into your save folder. And then here you can just say, okay, someone just shared a map. It's called whatever the best map, and I can say best map and simply press import. And if it's existing, it will simply be added to your game. And the same goes for deleting. Let's say I really don't like Hellzoid's map. Then I can say Hellzoid's cool map can be deleted, and then it's gone. Can you edit other people's maps? Yes, if you save them locally. Again, hosting maps is friends only, so you can host them with your friends, but at the moment it's not public hosting. This is because of a missing moderation at the moment. We cannot just, can obviously create anything you want, so we want to make sure that you only host with friends for the moment. So for the console players who are here, you'll get a big update. You're not just going to get this update once the level editor drops. You're going to get the same that the full version of the PC gets, which is 6 brand new maps and 6 environments in the level editor. So for Steam players, once the full version is out, you'll get 3 more maps and 3 more environments. So it will be definitely the biggest update the game has seen, and hopefully will create endless play fun and some nice community maps.